Welcome to Gojra, a city nestled in the heart of Punjab, Pakistan. Known for its rich agricultural surroundings and scenic beauty, Gojra offers a unique blend of urban and rural landscapes. Join us now as we journey into the heart of Pakistan's Punjab to uncover the hidden treasures of Gojra. As we approach Gojra from the air, the landscape unfolds like a patchwork quilt, meticulously stitched together by generations of farmers. These vast fields, stretching as far as the eye can see, are the lifeblood of Gojra, the source of its sustenance and the foundation of its economy.
Here, wheat, the staff of life, sways in the warm breeze, its golden heads heavy with grain. Nearby, cotton, the white gold, bursts forth from the earth, promising prosperity and trade. And then there is sugarcane, its tall stalks reaching for the sky, a symbol of sweetness and energy. The fruits of these fields sustain the city, providing food, income, and a deep connection to the land. The people here, hardened by the sun and tempered by the earth, work tirelessly, ensuring that Gojra remains a city nourished by its agricultural bounty.
The sun, a constant presence in the sky, bathes Gojra in its golden light. It is a hot and arid climate with long summers that stretch from April to October, testing the resilience of both man and nature.
As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the fields, a sense of relief washes over the land. The evenings bring a welcome respite from the day's heat, a time for families to gather, share stories, and enjoy the cooler air. Winter, from November to March, offers a brief but welcome change of pace. The monsoon season arriving in June breathes life into Gojra, essential for maintaining agricultural productivity.
Through a network of canals and irrigation channels, its waters are carefully diverted to the fields, quenching the thirst of crops and ensuring their growth. The intricate system of waterways is a marvel of engineering, designed to maximize the efficient use of water in this arid region. Farmers rely on this precious resource to cultivate a variety of crops, from wheat and rice to sugarcane and cotton. The lifeblood of the land, the water from the river Ravi, transforms the fields into lush, green expanses, teeming with life and productivity, and ensuring a bountiful harvest. Along its banks, one finds pockets of tranquility, peaceful retreats where the stresses of daily life melt away. Families gather for picnics, friends meet for leisurely strolls, and individuals find solace in the serene environment. The riverbanks are dotted with spots perfect for relaxation, where one can sit and listen to the gentle flow of water, as feeling a deep connection with nature, where nature lovers can escape the hustle and bustle of city life. Birdsong fills the air, dragonflies dance in the sunlight, and the vibrant ecosystem thrives. Birdwatchers are often seen with their binoculars, spotting a variety of species that call the river home. The biodiversity along the river Ravi is a testament to its importance as a natural habitat, supporting a wide range of flora and fauna, and the worries of the world fade into the background. Fishermen cast their nets into the flowing water, hoping for a catch, a tradition passed down through generations. The river provides not only a means of livelihood, but also a way of life. The rhythmic casting and pulling of nets is a familiar sight, a dance between man and nature that has been performed for centuries, while children splash and play on the riverbank. The Ravi, a source of both sustenance and serenity, is an integral part of life in Gojra. The river is woven into the fabric of daily life, from the early morning rituals of washing and bathing, to the evening gatherings by its banks. It is a place where memories are made, where the community comes together to celebrate festivals and traditions. Like a silver ribbon winding its way through the landscape, the river Ravi flows near Gojra, a lifeline for this agricultural heartland. Its waters, a source of life and sustenance, have nourished these lands for centuries. The river's journey through Gojra is a story of resilience and adaptation, of how a community has thrived by living in harmony with its natural surroundings. The river Ravi is not just a body of water, it is a symbol of life, growth, and continuity. It represents the enduring spirit of the people of Gojra, who have depended on its waters for generations. The river's presence is a constant reminder of the delicate balance between human activity and the natural world, a balance that must be maintained to ensure the prosperity of future generations. As the river Ravi continues to nourish the fields and sustain the crops, it also nurtures the spirit of the community. The river is a source of inspiration, a muse for poets and artists who find beauty in its ever-changing moods. It is a place of reflection where one can ponder the mysteries of life while watching the water flow by. The river Ravi, with its timeless presence, remains a lifeline for Gojra, a testament to the enduring bond between nature and humanity.
Beyond the cultivated fields, Gojra's landscape is surprisingly diverse, a testament to nature's ability to thrive even in the most challenging of environments. The region is a mosaic of ecosystems, each contributing to the rich tapestry of life that defines Gojra. From the arid stretches that seem inhospitable at first glance, to the lush pockets of greenery that burst forth unexpectedly, Gojra is a land of contrasts and surprises. The resilience of nature here is truly remarkable, as plants and animals have adapted to the varying conditions, creating a unique and vibrant ecosystem.
Here, amidst the agricultural expanse, pockets of natural vegetation persist, providing sanctuary for a variety of flora and fauna. These green oases are crucial for maintaining biodiversity, offering a refuge for species that might otherwise struggle to survive in the cultivated areas. The interplay between the cultivated and the wild creates a dynamic environment where life flourishes in unexpected ways. These patches of natural vegetation are not just remnants of a bygone era, but are living, breathing parts of the ecosystem that support a wide range of life forms. Orchards, laden with fruits like mangoes, citrus, and guavas, dot the landscape, their sweet scents carried on the breeze. These orchards are not only a source of sustenance for the local population, but also play a vital role in the ecosystem. The fruit trees provide food and habitat for various birds and insects, creating a microhabitat that supports a diverse range of species. The seasonal cycles of flowering and fruiting add a rhythmic pattern to the landscape, marking the passage of time with bursts of color and fragrance. In some areas, small patches of forest cling to the edges of villages or line the banks of canals, offering a glimpse into the region's natural heritage. These forest patches are vital for the ecological balance, acting as corridors for wildlife and helping to maintain the health of the soil and water systems. The trees in these forests are often ancient, standing as silent witnesses to the history of the land and the people who have lived here. They provide a sense of continuity and connection to the natural world, reminding us of the importance of preserving these green spaces. Trees like shisham, kikar, and eucalyptus provide shade from the scorching sun and shelter for a variety of creatures. These trees are integral to the landscape, offering not just physical relief from the heat, but also playing a crucial role in the local ecology. They support a myriad of life forms, from insects and birds to mammals, creating a complex web of interactions that sustain the ecosystem. The shade they provide is a welcome respite for both humans and animals, making them cherished components of the natural environment. Birds, too, are abundant in this region. Their songs and calls fill the air, adding a musical backdrop to the natural beauty of Gojra. The diversity of bird species is a testament to the health of the ecosystem, as different birds occupy various niches, from the treetops to the underbrush. Birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts find Gojra a paradise, with opportunities to spot both common and rare species. The presence of birds is a sign of a thriving environment, as they are often indicators of ecological well-being. Sparrows chirp from rooftops, minas mimic the sounds of human activity, and bulbuls fill the air with their melodious calls. These birds are not just background noise, but are integral parts of the community, their behaviors and songs intertwined with daily life. The sparrows, with their cheerful chirping, bring a sense of liveliness to the urban and rural settings alike. Minas, known for their mimicry, add a touch of humor and surprise, while the bulbuls' melodious calls provide a soothing soundtrack to the day. While larger wildlife is less common, small mammals like jackals, foxes, and wildcats still roam the outskirts of Gojra, reminding us that nature always finds a way. These elusive creatures are often heard rather than seen, their calls echoing through the night. They play a crucial role in the ecosystem, helping to control populations of smaller animals and maintaining the balance of nature. Their presence is a reminder of the wildness that still exists on the fringes of human habitation, a testament to the enduring power of nature.
Gojra is a city of contrasts, a place where the energy of urban life seamlessly blends with the tranquility of the countryside. This unique blend creates a dynamic environment where the hustle and bustle of city life meets the serene and slow-paced rhythm of rural living. It's a place where modernity and tradition coexist, offering a rich tapestry of experiences for both residents and visitors alike.
At its heart lies the bustling city center, a hive of activity where commerce and culture collide. The streets are alive with the sounds of daily life, from the chatter of people to the hum of vehicles. This vibrant core is the lifeblood of Gojra, where businesses thrive and cultural exchanges are a daily occurrence. Here, in the labyrinthine streets of the local bazaars, vendors hawk their wares, their voices competing with the cacophony of car horns and the rhythmic calls to prayer. The markets are a sensory overload, with a myriad of colors, sounds, and smells that create an unforgettable experience. Each stall tells a story, from the fresh produce to the handcrafted goods, reflecting the rich cultural heritage of the region. The air is thick with the aroma of spices, freshly baked bread, and strong sweet tea. These scents are a testament to the culinary traditions that have been passed down through generations. Street vendors offer a taste of local flavors, inviting passers-by to indulge in the rich and diverse cuisine that Gojra has to offer. Shops overflow with colorful fabrics, intricate jewelry, and everyday essentials, catering to the needs of the city's diverse population. These shops are more than just places to buy goods. They are social hubs where people gather, exchange stories, and build community ties. The vibrant displays of textiles and ornaments are a feast for the eyes, showcasing the artistic talents of local artisans. But just a few kilometers from the city center, a different pace of life prevails. The transition from urban to rural is almost seamless, yet the change in atmosphere is palpable. The noise and activity of the city give way to the gentle rustling of leaves and the distant calls of birds, offering a peaceful retreat from the urban chaos. Fields stretch out in every direction, a patchwork quilt of green and gold, where farmers tend to their crops. These fields are the backbone of Gojra's agricultural economy, providing sustenance and livelihood for many families. The sight of farmers working diligently in their fields is a reminder of the hard work and dedication that goes into producing the food that sustains the city. This juxtaposition of urban and rural life is what gives Gojra its unique character, a place where the past and present coexist in harmonious balance. The city and the countryside are not just geographical locations, but are intertwined in a way that enriches the lives of those who call Gojra home. This harmony between the two creates a community that is resilient, diverse, and deeply connected to its roots.
Gojra, though often overlooked on the tourist trail, holds a quiet historical and cultural significance within the Punjab region.
Its story is interwoven with the ebb and flow of empires, its streets whispering tales of bygone eras. The city's proximity to historical powerhouses like Faisalabad and Multan has inevitably shaped its destiny. Scattered throughout Gojra and its surrounding villages are architectural gems waiting to be discovered. Old mosques, their minarets reaching towards the heavens, stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time. Their intricate designs a testament to the skill of bygone artisans. Gojra may not boast the grand monuments or UNESCO World Heritage sites of its more famous neighbors, but its historical and cultural significance runs deep, woven into the very fabric of its being.
In summary, Gojra is a city that embodies the heart and soul of Pakistan's rural Punjab. With its scenic views of endless fields, the life-giving waters of the River Ravi, and a slower, more deliberate pace of life, Gojra is a true hidden gem, a place where one can reconnect with nature and experience the warmth of Pakistani hospitality. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Gojra. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more explorations of beautiful places around the world.